Hello. How many videos are there about making money online? Thousands? Millions? But there's a problem. Too many of them are just not true sales to convince you to sign up for some seminar, webinar, training session, or some other way to become an online millionaire. They really give online money making a bad name. But it is possible to make money online. I mean, the people selling all of those millionaire pitches are making money, right? First, congratulations for joining this course. You made a very good decision. You are now about to change your life and start making great money online. All you have to do is take a deep breath, get your favorite beverage, and watch. In this course, I will show you exactly how you can make great money online by 10 different ways, step by step, from scratch, without a personal website or YouTube channel. I will discuss each way to allow you to understand each single one with a practical example, so by the end of this course, you will be able to choose whatever way you like and start earning money. But first, let's start with some basics.